In this video, I will show you how to make professional resume for fresher with no job experience. Open Microsoft Word, go to Layout, select Margin, select Custom Margin. For top and bottom, select 0.5, or left and right, select 0.75. Select OK, select Size, select F4 option here, select Column, select more column, select this option here, customize this option 1.96, select OK. Now go to insert, select picture and add professional picture according to your preference. You can change the position clicking this position here. Plus you can crop it according to your preference, selecting crop. Plus you can crop to shape, then add picture border, select weight, select this weight, select picture border color. I am selecting this color. Now select picture, right click, select warp text, select in front of text so that you can easily move the picture. Now do this pressing enter. Why you wanna do this? Because it has two columns.
So that you can easily move writings.
Add name, make your name big and bold. You can give some twist if you want. You can add profession name. You can skip it if you don't want. It's not recommended for many industry. Now add contact information here. You see for this column it moves ups and downs. That's why I previously did it. Now about contact information. Add phone number or mobile number which will be available in business hour or office hour. Add mail align with your name. Add address. Add LinkedIn. If you don't have LinkedIn, you should consider to make it professional. Don't add unprofessional LinkedIn. Adding LinkedIn in resume increase the chance land on interview. You can add portfolio link like GitHub, Behance or Dribbble according to your industry or any other link or website. It will increase the impression of your resume. Add about or background or objective according to your preference. Add that in here. Then you can add education. When you add education, mention these things: university name, your degree name, location or city, and graduation date, plus CGPA. For fresher, you should consider to add your CGPA in the resume. Many people miss this. You can add coursework related to job industry. And if you don't know how to make these bullet points here, you can check this in here and change it according to your preference and your choice. You can add underline if you want. If you don't want it, you can skip it. And about education section, if you have more than one education section to add, you can add education section like this too. Then you can add your skill set, naming skill set, strength and expertise or key proficiency or any other name that represent these things. You can segment the skill set like I am doing it. You can write skill set with bullet point like this too if you like. Here's some couple of example how to write this skill section here. You can write skill section like this too. Check this example: academic proficiency, financial modeling and valuation skills, strong quantitative analysis background. Plus back it up with software skills, technical skills, other and soft skills. When you add your skill section like this, then recruiter people understand that you know your staff and how to represent them. You can add intern experience as many degree offer intern with their course, or you can join some internship and add it in your resume. If you don't have intern experience, it's okay. I will show you some tips later in this video that can fill up the space. If you add intern experience, mention these things: your title, duration, institution name, location and job description. You can add project that you done in your university or institution. Make sure those projects have scope, plus you gain good result from the project. When you add project, make sure you include these things: project name, duration, project team, organization or location. Write description using challenge, solution, method you used and result. You can add publications and research to show your competence in your field. You can add training relevant to job industry that you've done outside of your university or in university. You can add certification that can be gained from other source like Google, Skillshop offer many certification free, or other institution. Enrich your resume, you can do that easily. You can add award section that you get in university or outside university or institution. You can add language to show you have proficiency in different kind of language. You can add volunteer work or extracurricular activities this portion too. And in last, you can add your hobbies and other portion here. Now adjust the position. Now let's do some adjustment. Now you can insert a text box, change the color, change outline color with no outline, and change the design of this resume. Right click, select send back, click here and send behind the text. See, you can change the shadow effect if you want. Go to shape effect, go to shadow, you can select this or according to your preference. Okay, now change the size according to your need. Now whenever you want to export as a PDF and print as a PDF. Go to file, select export, select PDF or create PDF so that your file remain same as you send it. Now here's some extra tips. When you add intern experience, mention these things: company name, position, highlights, and write your highlights with achievement basis according to your intern experience. Give some result oriented metrics. Same thing for volunteer experience. You can write this way too. Here are some example, writing example here. Now project work. You can write your project work like this. Example. For research and publication, you can write like this too. Now last, if you don't have intern experience, you can add reference section like this. To make reference like this, go to insert, select shape, select text box, and then input this reference in your below section of the resume. I hope this resume help you to make a resume professionally for your career. Thank you to watch this video.